The Papu and
Mamu, since our morning show days.
That's
OG, di ba? Imbis na Lola, Lolo, Papu, Mamu. So anyway, going back, so now we're here in my channel, Christine Baba's channel. Thank you, Echo. Ito na yung inaabangan nyo, yung ating imamarites, kung ano ang laman ng bag ni Echo at anong history ng bag na ito. Go, go, go! So here we are.
Okay.
We shall say, welcome to our bag talk and beauty talk with Jericho Rosales. Sorry, DJ.
Or bag talk and beauty talk.
As if please ko yun. So, Echo, tell me about this bag. What's the brand muna?
It's not a very popular brand, but
Yeah,
it's
but it's a nice kind of leather.
Thank you so much. I always have a bag kasi na ganito lang yung size that I bring to work.
Parang overnight bag, travel
Yeah,
bag.
travel bag, overnight bag. So I
Yeah.
put all the things na ganyan lang
Ganda ng quality ng leather. Ito ba yung brand niya? Hindi.
Because I like boxing.
Oh.
And then, ito, binigay sa akin nung taga Lasal dati.
Oh, cute.
It's a cat.
Yeah.
And then isa pusang gala siya, pero meron siyang pangalan. So, wala.
Yeah,
Gusto ko ng mga
dogs and cats.
And
Yeah, dogs and cats. So,
Anyway,
souvenir,
this is the
diwa.
bag that I brought today. Kasi
Yeah.
sabi mo, biglang may bag grade.
Correct.
So,
Thank
I was
you
like,
for saying
game.
yes.
Okay,
Game.
so what do we do?
So this is the kind of leather that's sturdy. Has it been with you for a long time? Matagal
No,
na ba to?
no. Bago lang to. I mean, mga 1 year pa lang sa akin
Uy,
to.
binili mo as a gift to self
It was
or
a
reward
gift.
to self?
It was a gift.
By Janine ba?
Hindi.
It was a gift
Yeah,
from a
yeah,
fan,
yeah. From a family member.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Okay, so ayan ang ating history ng bag.
Yeah.
It's new and it's a gift to Echo.
Hindi ako mahilig sa mga branded, super branded stuff.
Oh, nice.
Hindi talaga. Hindi ako mahilig sa relo. Mahilig ako sa mga onting jewelry na may meaning, ganyan sa akin. Pero I'm more for like quality and practicality.
And this is good quality. Is it imported or here?
This is,
Made here?
I think this is a frog leather.
Oh, frog.
No, I'm kidding.
Taniwala naman talaga ako.
I don't know. I mean, I forgot the name. Mamaya mahanap ko
Basta-
yung name niya. But
Yeah,
this
wala naman sa brand yan. It's a craft. Doon
It's
yung
nice,
sa
right?
craftsmanship.
Yeah.
Iba yung leather o yung quality, which is
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
But before we open the zipper sa bag mo,
Okay.
you mentioned your accessories na. You said hindi ka mahilig sa mga mamahaling relo, pero mahilig ka sa mga ganito na may meaning. You mentioned the word meaning.
Oh yeah, I've had
Anong
this before.
meaning
This
yan?
one is my ring for, I have may wings dyan, may arrows, may star, and I always wear this ring and I love this ring so much. You'll see me even in my interviews. It's my reminder to follow my dreams, and freedom is very important to me. So it's a